Hello, I am Pratapal. I have appeared in CSIR NET June 2021 examination and I have secured All India rank 23. In November 2020 CSIR NET examination, my result was not satisfactory. So I want to tell my new preparation strategy and how I boosted up myself in the new journey. In the first part of my preparation, I focused mainly on easy topics like GOC, bonding, kinetics, and a little bit of PYQ. PYQ is very much important in during any kind of examination. So I solved PYQ in this time. And next part of my preparation journey, I focused on moderately hard topics like spectroscopy and thermodynamics, equilibrium, and etc. And this time I focused many more on PYQ solving. Daily I solve PYQ questions in minimum 2 hours, and at least I focused I focused minimum 1 hour for general aptitude question solving practice, and I watched free classes based on general aptitude this time. And in last part of my journey, I focused on hard topics and vast topics like OMC, coordination, quantum mechanics, etc. And I discussed some tricky questions and the questions which I cannot solve with my friend. In the last part of 2021, I focused on revision and mock test and revision of tricky questions in PYQ. And next, I want to share my exam hall strategy. In the examination, I at first attempted part A questions. Then, as part C questions are many more, and in part C we have to make an intelligent choice to select. So I attempted part C questions then, and at last I attempted part B questions. Must attempt free classes and gain knowledge from it, and we must take benefit of free practice sessions where questions practice are done. And secondly, I want to mention the importance of general aptitude. I want to suggest that we must practice general aptitude questions beside subject wise, topic wise questions. And at last, I want to give suggestion to my juniors who are going to appear in the upcoming CSIR NET examination. Majorly focus on 3 things. Be focused, because focusing is very much important. If you are focused, you must be successful in future. And secondly, revise each and every topics and don't neglect PYQ. PYQ's questions are very much important. Try to solve all PYQ questions from previous 10 years. And at last, don't hesitate to ask difficult questions which you cannot understand to teachers, because difficult questions are very much important with respect to part C questions. There are many questions which are difficult, which are from research paper. So ask those difficult questions to respected teachers. I am grateful to my parents, all teachers and friends. The classes of Jagriti ma'am, Shetty sir, Kripasindhu sir, Nisha ma'am, Ajay sir, Nurul sir, Kuldeep sir, Sumit sir, Anup sir, Rajesh sir of Unacademy platform, and many more teachers from different learning platforms made me strong in the subject. Shreyas sir, Motaram sir, Christy sir helped me a lot for understanding and for developing the knowledge in general aptitude portion. I especially thank my friend Shayan for helping me to find the solution of tricky questions. Thank you.